Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I'm going to do a review and reveal of a new wallet that I got. By now you know that I've purchased the Damier Azur Neverfull MM, and I absolutely love this purse. So I needed a wallet to match. So stay tuned to find out what wallet I purchased. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content, and hit the like button for this video if you want to see more content like it. Truly, I would really appreciate if you hit the subscribe and the like button. Maybe leave me a comment down below. Tell me what your favorite wallet is that you carry. I don't care who it's by. Just tell me what it is and why you like it. It really does help my channel grow. It tells YouTube that you guys are liking the content I'm putting out, and it shows it to more people. So I really, truly appreciate it if you'd hit that button, smash it. Okay, you guys, so today I'm not doing an unboxing. I went ahead and unboxed it. I wanted to get a feel for this wallet before I showed you and told you anything about it. And I have now carried it, and I do really like it. So let me show you what it is. I needed a wallet, you hear that word? I needed a wallet that matched my Damier Azur Neverfull MM. I am, again, just stoked to have this back in my collection. And so I decided
I need a wallet.
But I didn't want to get a repeat wallet. While I like repeat purses and having multiple of the same purses in my collection in different prints, I wanted a different wallet. I just wanted to try something new. So I purchased the Louis Vuitton Damier Azur Alexandra wallet. I'm loving this. It is, I will say when I got it, it's a little bit thicker than what I thought it would be, and maybe a tiny bit bigger. I did watch some reviews on this on YouTube, and they all seemed really pleased. So I'm going to show you, I did get it through Fashionphile. I'm going to go over this wallet, go over the dimensions, everything it holds, all that. I'm actually currently using it right now because I'm currently using this purse. So I'm going to go over all that. And then I'm also going to tell you how Fashionphile listed it, what they showed, what they, I guess, listed it with the issues that it had. And then I will show you that compared to how it actually came. So this wallet comes in Damier Azur. I saw it in Damier Ben and Monogram. This was the, of course, I guess in the best condition. It is listed as excellent condition. It says the exterior has discoloration and edge wear. It does have a little discoloration. You can tell that it's a little bit yellowed, but that's what Damier Azur does. That's actually what kept me from getting Damier Azur for so long. I've had a Damier Azur piece a long time ago, and I sold it because I was scared of getting it dirty and color transfer and all that. But I've since dipped my toe back in, and I've dipped it in hard. So the discoloration is just going to happen. The edge wear, there's a little bit of edge wear and like wear at resin glazing. So I guess that's what they mean for edge wear. But really the biggest edge wear I see is like, oh, let's see if you can see that. So really like right there on that corner, you can kind of see a little bit of like edge wear and resin glazing that's like kind of, I wouldn't say peeling, but splitting just a tiny bit. And then right here on this edge, I don't know if you can see that, but it looks almost like dirty, but it's not dirty. It's just kind of, I guess, the resin kind of peeling away a little bit. That doesn't scare me away from any purse. If the wear resin glazing or anything like that is terrible, I will not get it. But that's just a rule of thumb for me. Since I know how Fashionphile lists things and how they actually come, which is always in really great condition, sometimes better than what they list it as, I wasn't scared of that. So this wallet, they also said the hardware has scratches, which let me just say yet again, any piece of luxury, anything, non-luxury, whatever, it doesn't matter. If you have hardware, it is going to get scratches. So just know that. And then the interior says there are marks and the pockets are stretched. I have to tell you, these pockets, I had a hard time getting cards in them. So I don't know why they said that that the pockets were stretched at all. As for marks inside, let me go ahead and open this up, show you the features of the wallet, and see if we can find those marks, because I sure as heck didn't. So when you open it up and you have a pocket right here. What I noticed on all of the pre-loved ones is that this gets curled. So it curls out right here. Let me hold it to the side so you can see that curling. And then also this whole flap here kind of curls out like that on both sides. Basically all of them had that going on. So I was expecting that, and I wasn't truly upset with it. You can see that if there was resin If there was resin at all along this edge, it is completely gone. Like it probably started peeling and the person that owned it just like peeled it off, not knowing what they were doing. At least I hope they didn't know what they were doing. Anyway, so when you open this wallet up, you have this pocket here, and then you open it like this, and you have card slots here, card slots here. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots there, and 4 card slots on this side, so 4 and 4. And then there's actually a little space back here, like you could put cash there, I guess, if you wanted to. There is not a pocket over here, but that's because over here on this side, you have all of this space. So you have almost like a slip pocket right there, like a slip pocket right here. This is my temporary driver's license. Had to get that renewed. And then you have this space right here for coins. This is like, whoever used this, again, it is like brand new in there. So I don't know if they carried any coins in that or not. For me right now, I'm just carrying some pictures of family here. And like I said, my temporary license right here. So this is what really got me about this wallet, is that then this opens up here. And you have a spot here where you can put pictures. I had my licenses in there. And then this spot here that has 5 card holders. And so I use this as like personal cards and this as business cards. And this will help me keep from mixing up and using my personal cards when I need to use my business cards, and my business cards when I need to use my personal cards. So if you carry a lot of cards, health cards, savings cards, whatever you carry, this is a great way to keep that all divided out. And so I love this. And then of course there is a spot back here for actual cash. So as for like marks on this piece, there is a tiny, don't even know if my camera will pick up on it, mark right there. Barely, it picks up on it. And that is really all I'm seeing. So on the flip inside of this, so on here on the button right here, it says Louis Vuitton. You can see that. And then on the inside right here, it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. And where you're gonna find the date code is back in this pocket where this zipper is. It's back behind here, tucked right back in there. So the date code on this one is CH1132. So it was made in the 13th week of 2012. Also wanted to show you, like on the zipper, how it says, you know, LV there. Just another little detail that LV does. And this is a good weighty zipper. And the zip itself is actually pretty good. I may need to get some Brasso or something and kind of clean it up, because it's not as smooth as some of the other zippers I've had, but it definitely is secure. So little zipper detail for you. So I absolutely am loving this. I would say it is a like pretty compact wallet. I feel like it's a really, really good, what I would compare it to is a Zippy compact wallet, but it is thicker than that. I can do a comparison video on those two because these both are like smaller, but like pack a punch. Both of them do. They carry everything I need plus some. I love all the like flaps and spots that you can just like put stuff in and put stuff here and slide stuff in here. And if you're carrying receipts, you can slide them in back here or up here. You could even slide them in right here. You could put a card or like your license if you want quick access to it, put that right there. I mean, this wallet really is truly awesome. I am thinking about, since I got it pre-loved, I am thinking about trying to find some resin glazing, because I have a brown, I think it's by Cody something, resin glazing for my Damier Azur pieces. My sunglasses case by Louis Vuitton, that resin tends to peel, and I don't want to go pay to have it redone every time. So I actually just watched a lot of YouTube videos on it, found some resin glazing that everybody uses when they're redoing like Louis Vuittons, and I purchased a small bottle of it and I re-resined the edge of my sunglasses case. I do not recommend that you do that if you're ever planning to resell a piece, but I am gonna see if I can find the like white resin glazing for this that is that same brand, and see what I can do to help reseal this, because I don't want it to come apart. There is stitching, if you can see it right underneath where this resin glazing would be, there is stitching going across right there. So it's not going to peel apart unless that stitching comes undone, and I'm not gonna do anything that peels that stitching off. So okay, I knew I was forgetting to talk about something in this video, so future Carolyn here. Pricing, it was $775 brand new, and I paid $565 plus tax for it. So a little over $200 savings. I am super happy with that. So this is, again, the Louis Vuitton Damier Azur Alexandra wallet. It comes in a bunch of different canvas prints, and I just think it is really, really cute. Like I said, the one really bad thing about it is this curling right here. So if that's gonna bug you, don't get it, because every picture I saw of the pre-loved market of these, pretty much all of them have that curling. There were also, I believe, older models of this that were not the same style, so I'm going to link some down below. But if you do happen to click on one, make sure to look at the pictures and see that they do show that it's this style of it, because this one is the one I'm talking about. I think that's it for this wallet. If I missed anything, if you're looking for anything in particular about this wallet, please just ask me in the comments down below. I do try to get back to everyone as quickly as possible. I do work a full-time job outside of the house, so I'm not able to get back to everyone immediately, but I do try to, at the end of every day, check in and make sure that I've at least responded to all the ones that I see. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Any questions, leave them down below, and I will talk to you next time. Bye. But I didn't want to get a, so stay tuned to find out what it was. It really does help but I didn't want to get a repeat. So stay tuned to find out what it is.